Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm the DeFi Doctor, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters, and today we're going to dive into the exciting world of crypto and take a look at the top crypto narratives of 2025. As we move into 2025, digital assets continue to evolve, and with them, new trends, technologies, and narratives are emerging. In this video, I'm going to cover the top narratives you should be watching closely in this year. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. The rise of institutional adoption. One of the biggest narratives for 2025 is the continued rise of institutional adoption. More and more traditional financial institutions like banks, hedge funds, and even insurance companies are integrating digital assets into their portfolios. In 2025, we'll likely see even more publicly traded companies and financial institutions adopting blockchain technology and incorporating Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets into their portfolios. Why is this important? It signals mainstream validation of digital assets. Institutional capital could drive significant market growth. 2. The evolution of DeFi and yield farming. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is another narrative to watch in 2025. The DeFi space has exploded in recent years, and we're seeing more innovations and protocols that offer new ways for users to earn yields and access financial services without intermediaries. In 2025, we expect DeFi to evolve with more user-friendly platforms and innovative financial products entering into the market. Here's why it's important. It's democratizing access to financial services. It presents new opportunities for investors to grow their digital assets. 3. The growth of Layer 2 solutions. Layer 2 solutions like Optimism, Arbitrum, and Polygon are gaining significant traction. These platforms aim to scale blockchain technology and improve transaction speeds while reducing costs, something Ethereum has struggled with due to high gas fees. In 2025, Layer 2 solutions will be a significant theme as they continue to expand and offer better scalability for digital assets. Why it's important. Lower transaction fees and faster speeds can make digital assets more accessible. It could help accelerate the adoption of decentralized apps, or dApps. 4. The emergence of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. A huge narrative for 2025 will be the development of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Countries like China and the European Union are already testing their digital currencies, and in 2025, more nations will likely follow suit. While CBDCs are different from decentralized digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they will still play a key role in shaping the future of money and the global economy. Why it's important? Governments will likely regulate CBDCs, creating a more transparent framework for digital asset integration. It could impact the adoption of decentralized alternatives. 5. NFTs and the digital economy. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are also going to play a big part in 2025. While NFTs gained massive attention in 2021 and 22, the market will likely mature by the end of 2025, with more use cases beyond art and collectibles. Expect to see NFTs used in gaming, entertainment, real estate, and even as a form of identity or ownership in the digital economy. Here's why it's important. NFTs are transforming industries like gaming, art, and entertainment. It will be a driving force in the tokenization of assets. So there you have it, the top narratives of 2025. These trends will shape the future of digital assets, and if you're staying ahead of the curve, you'll be well positioned to take advantage of the opportunities that arise. Like, subscribe, and follow for more updates on emerging trends. And as always, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. What narratives are you most excited about in 2025? Stay sharp, my friends, stay decentralized, and I'll catch you in the next one.